never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these DIY nail salon nails that look just as good as you would get them at the nail salon, and they last at least a month. Okay, so first we're starting off with some bare nails. These are how my nails look after taking off a previous set that lasted me 3 weeks until I took them off because I just wanted to. Okay, so next I'm starting with the EC Basket by Nails Gaga. I got this off of Amazon for $11. Okay, and you guys could get them in various different sizes. This kit is the truth. So now I'm going to be clipping my nails down as low as I possibly can get them, because this will help the nail that you're going to be putting on your real nail to stay. This is key. Everything that I'm showing y'all is key to making sure your nails stay. So it does take a little bit of a while, but I promise you it's all worth it in the end. Yeah. So after I clip my nails, I'm going to begin filing them. And then after I file my nails, I'm going to be using the buffer to buff my nails. The main point for buffing your nails is so that you don't have any shine on your nails. So it's very important to buff your nails. Make sure you buff them and they look good. Another tip I would add, which I did not do in this video, is using rubbing alcohol, but my nails were already pretty dry, but rubbing alcohol is just an extra add-on if you really want your nails to stay as well. Like, it works every single time. So after that's done, I'm going to be pushing down my cuticles. This is another key to making sure the nails stay, because you don't want the nail to be on any surrounding skin. And then I'm basically just continuing to buffer out my nails by using the nail file and the buffer as well. So just make sure your nails are extra dry. That's what's important. You don't want any shine to your nails, no matter how long it takes. Buff, file, push down them cuticles, clip your nails. This is key to having your nails stay on forever and getting that salon effect. So after I'm done, I'm now going to be taking out my nail kit. And what I'm going to be doing is just sizing up my nails, which you guys cannot see because I did not realize I was out of the frame, but this is basically what I'm doing. And then after that, I'm clipping my nails on the side because these nails are ballerina style nails. So I'm just making sure that my real nail is not showing on the sides. That's really important. So you just kind of like clip the end so that it kind of forms the nail perfectly. So it's really essential to do so. So the main reason why I decided to size my nails, this is just easier in the process of getting your nails on. You don't have to keep like rummaging through the nail little basket thing. So you could just know what nails fit your nails and just pull out 2 for each. You guys may see me rummaging through the nail set after, because I just got kind of confused with like my ring finger, my middle finger, because they're kind of like similar sizes. So I just got confused with which nails were which. But yeah, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to push my cuticles down again. I push them down and then I put the nail on my real finger and I press it down for at least 20 seconds. And then I cure it under the LED light. This is not necessary, but I think it really does help with locking in the glue. And I put it underneath the LED light for about 20 seconds. And what y'all are seeing me do now is I'm just removing just some excess glue that I got on the nail. But yeah, I put it in for 60 seconds and this really helps the nail to stay on. Like once I am done with that, the nail does not even feel like it's going to come off at all. And then I just repeat on every other nail. I don't need to say it a billion times. It's really simple. After you do what you need to do, make sure you press the nail downward and then press onto your nail and then push up as you have the nail on. If y'all kind of get what I mean, you're just gonna put the nail on the nail bed and then press down and then press up. Okay, and then after that I just file the nails on the sides, but I did like a final file at the very end, which you guys will see. here's how the first hand looked. It's a little bit out of focus because I had the way my camera was set up, it just looked weird. But yeah, it looked really good, loved it. And I'm just repeating on the other hand. And I don't know if I said this earlier, but basically what you're gonna do is put the glue on your nail bed surrounding area, and then put the nail glue on the fake nail so that it's pressed on. You don't want to put too much glue on because that's how it lifts a lot. So just put a little bit of glue on the nail bed and then put the rest of the glue on the fake nail, and just make sure you don't put too much on. There's a little goes a long way, not too little, but just enough. Don't do too much. So after I got all my nails glued on and I cured all of them so that they stayed on my nail, I decided to start filing my nails. So I file on top to prepare for the nail polish that will be going on my nails, and I want that to be a really dry surface, and just in case there's any excess glue, I want that removed. So using a file and a buffer on top of the nails, and then shaping the nails as well, which I do before I put the nail polish on and I do after. So you guys are going to be seeing me use the file quite a lot, but this is just to get the nails ready for the polish so it's not bumpy, it's a smooth paste onto my nails. So I'm going to be using gel polish. So I use the Mode Loans gel polish that I got from a polygel kit that I got a while ago. And I'm going to be putting the base coat onto my nails thoroughly, just one coat, and then I'm going to cure it underneath the LED light and continue with the polish of my choice. I highly recommend getting gel polish. I feel like it's easy to use, and then it lasts on your nails for a while and you don't have to worry about drying. They dry within 60 seconds if you have an LED light. It's the best. I highly suggest. A little bit more expensive, but like it's definitely worth it. And I'm going to be putting my nails underneath the LED light for 90 seconds when I have polish on. So when you're actually putting the polish on, make sure you have your nails under there for 90 seconds. So now I'm going to be using this pink jelly color. Like, I really love this color. I just recently got these nail polishes. This once again was from Amazon. Everything I'm using was from Amazon. So I highly suggest you guys use these products. I'm going to link it down below because this pink nail polish that I'm using came with like a bunch of different pinks and they're really pretty colors. I want to use like the jelly pink, like has like a light pink. There's like this like tannish color. They're really pretty colors. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description box so you guys could check it out. But I love this look. It looks really natural, and that was kind of the vibe that I was going for. I don't know, I just love just really pretty simple neutral nail colors. I think they just look really good. So after I put the first coat on, I put it underneath the LED light, and then I'm going to put a second coat on after I finish my second hand, and I put that underneath the LED light as well, and then I use the top coat. So now I'm applying the second coat. You guys could go for like a third coat, but with this color, I think a second coat was fine. I guess maybe if you wanted to go a little bit darker, but I thought that the second coat sufficed. It looked really good. But yeah, you could always go for a third coat before you put on your top coat, but this worked fine with me. I love the 2 coats. It looked really good and the color was just as I wanted it. So after I was done, I used my top coat. The color looks so pretty already. So I just used the top coat, and then you guys are going to be seeing me file my nails down to how I want them to look. And remember, every single time you guys put polish on, make sure you put it underneath the LED light right after to make sure the polish is dry. Very critical and very important. And just so you guys know, I also kept putting my thumb underneath the LED light because it just wasn't drying. But it was only for one thumb, and then after I put it underneath twice, it dried completely. So now I'm going to be using this cuticle remover just to get the excess polish off the surrounding skin of my nails. And this is like the best way to do it so that no polish comes off. And this was really helpful with removing that. And here I am just using acetone to get all the excess off, and then I just oiled my nails. And here is the final reveal of the nails. They looked so good, very natural looking, beautiful, looks salon ready. Like I just went to the salon to get them done. They were perfect, and I highly suggest you guys get in this kit. This is a slay. Only $10. Of course, there's going to be other things you need to buy as well, but just these nails alone, $10. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.